How do you like your dentist? The noise made by drills, the unpleasant smell of the clinic make dental visit a nightmare for many people, let alone children. Children are afraid of dentists. Actually, children are afraid of anyone who is wearing mask and gown, no matter how cute your mask is, trust me. But after this COVID-19 pandemic, they may get used to it. After all, everyone is wearing a mask. Anyway, as a dentist, I'm afraid of children too. They are crying and screaming even before stepping in the clinic. I'm so afraid that the drills and needles may accidentally hurt them when they are struggling on the dental chair. Fortunately, a magic solution saves both of us. We don't need needles, we don't need drills, we only need is a small dental brush to paint a layer of SDF on the tooth surface. That is the silver diamine fluoride solution. We call it SDF. The SDF can stop the progress of the dental caries and prevent toothache from happening. This procedure is simple and painless. However, there are still limitations of this magic solution. First, it will leave black stain on the tooth surface, which may cause aesthetic concerns. Second, the cavity is still open and unrestored, which may compromise the chewing ability, and also may trap food debris. So, we are thinking, what we can do more to improve the situation? How about we first apply SDF to stop the caries? When the circumstances allow, we can then restore the teeth to improve the appearance and function. It is important to find out whether the prior SDF application will jeopardize the restorations afterwards. So we conducted a randomized control trial. Preschool children with decayed teeth were randomly allocated into 2 groups to be applied with either SDF or the placebo as control. 10 weeks later, all the decayed teeth were restored. We checked the status of restorations every 6 months, and after 18 months follow-up, we found that actually there was no significant difference of the success rate of the restorations between the SDF group and the control group. So, it is fair to recommend that if the children are too young to tolerate the restorative procedure, we can first apply SDF to stop the caries. When the children become older and more cooperative, we can then restore the teeth to better improve the situation. Thank you.